Hey everyone, what's up? It's Sino here, and in this video, we're diving deep into the essential finance tips and tricks that can transform your financial life. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your money game, this video is packed with practical advice that you can implement right away. We'll be covering everything from budgeting basics to debt management strategies, building an emergency fund, investing wisely, and planning for a comfortable retirement. Remember, financial literacy is the key to unlocking financial freedom and achieving your financial goals. By mastering these fundamental concepts, you'll gain control over your money, make informed financial decisions, and set yourself up for long-term financial success. So let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the foundation of sound financial management budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success, and it all begins with a plan. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, budgeting, that sounds boring. But bear with me because it doesn't have to be. But trust me, a well-crafted budget is not about restricting your freedom. It's about empowering you to make conscious choices with your money and achieve your financial aspirations. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. Think of your budget as a financial roadmap guiding you toward your desired destination. Just like a GPS helps you navigate to a location, your budget helps you navigate your financial journey. It all starts with understanding where your money is coming from and where it's going. This is the first step in taking control of your finances. That means tracking your income, including your salary, wages, or any other sources of revenue. Knowing your income sources helps you plan better. Next up, you need to identify and categorize your expenses. This helps you see where your money is going and where you might be able to cut back. This includes everything from your fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, car payments, and utilities. These are the non-negotiable costs that you must cover each month, to your variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. These can fluctuate from month to month. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can start allocating your funds accordingly. This is where the real magic happens. The golden rule here is to prioritize your needs over your wants. This ensures that your essential expenses are always covered. Needs are the essentials, the non-negotiables that keep a roof over your head, food on the table, and the lights on. These are the things you can't live without. Wants, on the other hand, are the things that enhance your life, but aren't strictly necessary for survival. These are the extras that make life more enjoyable. Think of that daily latte, the latest gadgets, or those impulsive online purchases. These are the things that can quickly add up and derail your budget. By consciously differentiating between needs and wants, you can make informed decisions about where to allocate your hard-earned cash. This helps you stay on track with your financial goals. Remember, your budget is a living document, not set in stone. It should evolve as your financial situation changes. As your income, expenses, or financial goals change, your budget should adapt accordingly. This flexibility is key to long-term financial success. Regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure it aligns with your evolving financial situation. This ongoing process helps you stay in control and achieve your financial dreams. Now let's talk about debt, that looming monster that can keep you trapped in a cycle of financial stress. It's a challenge many of us face, and it can feel overwhelming at times. Debt comes in various forms, from credit card debt and student loans to car loans and mortgages. Each type of debt has its own characteristics and implications. Understanding the different types of debt and their impact on your financial well-being is crucial for developing effective debt management strategies. This knowledge can empower you to make informed decisions. High-interest credit card debt, for instance, can quickly snowball into an unmanageable burden if left unchecked. The interest can accumulate rapidly, making it harder to pay off the principal amount. On the other hand, a mortgage, while a significant financial responsibility, can be considered good debt as it allows you to build equity in an asset over time. This can be a valuable investment in your future. When it comes to tackling debt, there are two popular methods: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. Each method has its own advantages and can be effective depending on your situation. The debt snowball method focuses on paying off your smallest debt first, regardless of interest rates, to create a sense of momentum and motivation. This psychological boost can be very encouraging. The debt avalanche method, on the other hand, prioritizes paying off debt with the highest interest rates first, saving you more money in the long run. This method can be more cost-effective. Choose the method that aligns best with your personality and financial situation. It's important to select a strategy that you can stick with over time. Another effective strategy is to negotiate lower interest rates with your creditors. This can reduce the amount you owe and make your debt more manageable. Contact your credit card companies or loan providers and inquire about potential interest rate reductions. Many creditors are willing to work with you if you ask. You might be surprised at how much you can save by simply asking. Even a small reduction in interest rates can make a big difference over time. Debt consolidation is another option worth exploring. This can streamline your payments and make managing your debt easier. This involves combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate, simplifying your payments and potentially saving you money on interest charges. It can be a practical solution for many. Chapter 3. Building an emergency fund, your financial safety net. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. From sudden medical emergencies to unexpected car repairs, these surprises can often come with a hefty price tag. That's where an emergency fund comes in, your financial safety net for unexpected events. It acts as a buffer, providing you with peace of mind and financial stability. An emergency fund is a dedicated savings account designed to cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. It ensures that you have the resources to handle these situations without financial strain. Having a well-stocked emergency fund can prevent you from going into debt or derailing your financial progress when faced with unexpected financial challenges. It acts as a financial buffer, allowing you to navigate tough times with greater ease. So, how much should you aim to save in your emergency fund? This is a crucial question that requires careful consideration. A general rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. This amount provides a solid financial cushion to fall back on. This ensures you have a financial cushion to cover your essential needs for an extended period if necessary. It offers a sense of security, knowing you can manage your finances even in difficult times. Start by calculating your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and any other essential costs. This will give you a clear picture of your financial needs. Multiply that figure by 3 to 6 to determine your target emergency fund balance. This calculation helps you set a realistic and achievable savings goal. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building your emergency fund. Regular contributions, no matter how small, add up over time. Treat your emergency fund contributions as a non-negotiable expense, just like your rent or mortgage payment. Prioritizing this fund ensures you are always prepared. Even if you can only afford to contribute a small amount each month, the power of compound interest will work its magic over time, growing your savings exponentially. This gradual growth can significantly enhance your financial security. Chapter 4. Investing Basics. Growing your wealth for the future. Now, let's move on to investing, the engine that drives long-term wealth creation. Investing involves putting your money to work in assets that have the potential to grow in value over time, outpacing inflation and building your financial security. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, leading to exponential growth in the long run. Don't be intimidated by the complexities of the investment world. There are plenty of beginner-friendly investment options available, such as low-cost index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, providing broad market exposure with minimal fees. When it comes to investing, diversification is key. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate can mitigate risk and enhance potential returns. Remember, investing involves risk, and the value of your investments can fluctuate. However, by adopting a long-term investment horizon and diversifying your portfolio, you can weather market volatility and increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. Chapter 5. Retirement Planning, Securing Your Financial Future. Retirement might seem like a distant event, but it's never too early to start planning for your financial future. The sooner you start saving and investing for retirement, the more time your money has to grow, and the better prepared you'll be to maintain your lifestyle during your golden years. Retirement accounts, such as 401(k)s and IRAs, offer tax advantages and can help you accumulate a substantial retirement nest egg over time. A 401(k) is an employer-sponsored retirement plan that allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income and potentially lowering your tax bill. If your employer offers a 401(k) match, take full advantage of it. It's essentially free money that can significantly boost your retirement savings. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is another powerful retirement savings tool that offers tax advantages. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. Traditional IRAs allow for tax-deductible contributions, while Roth IRA contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Consult with a financial advisor to determine which type of IRA is right for your individual circumstances. That's it for today's video on essential finance tips and tricks. We've covered a lot of ground, from budgeting basics and debt management strategies to building an emergency fund, investing wisely, and planning for a comfortable retirement. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing journey, and the key is to take actionable steps towards improving your financial health. Start by implementing one or two of the tips we've discussed today, and gradually incorporate more as you progress on your financial journey. Thank you for joining me on this financial adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more financial insights, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.